I waited 6 years until I posted my first video on Instagram, and from there I never looked back. But what happened in those 6 years that I never posted? Because I was waiting for someone else's approval. I was waiting for my family's approval to tell me, yes, Gurleen, you can do whatever you want to do in your life. I was thinking that if I have my family's permission, then that is when I will start working on myself. But it took me 6 years to realize that if I have to give myself a chance, it's me that who must be giving a chance to myself, not my family, not my friends, not my partner or anybody else. It's me. I need to give myself permission that you must start working on your life and saving your future, because future is in my hands. I am someone who is gonna make my future, not the family for whose approval I am waiting. And the point I realized was I was waiting for approval, but they were already busy living their own life. They already have something to rely on, they already have something to have drama on, they were already surviving. So yeah, they were busy in their own lives, and I was I was just there and asking them if you can solve my life too, if you can give me the permission. So I was just like this. But then I realized that if they are busy in their own life, then I must also do something with my life. It is my responsibility to take responsibility of my own life, not to just let someone else decide my life and someone else decide my future. For example, in our society, if there is this girl who grow up and then she is getting education up to graduation, then education up to graduation, wow, and then she is getting married off, then she is having children and she is teaching them, she is making them learn, and this is how generations work, right? So I was expected to be just like that. I was expected to get education, get married and go to somewhere, and yeah, just a normal life. But in me something changed, because I was inspired by the girls who were just like me, not from the background, but like me, who are breathing, right? And they are making big in their life. I decided to take control of my own life, and then I initiated my work of posting. I started creating it, I started scripting, I started researching that how does it work and how I must start. So they were busy in their own life when I started. They are not what can I say, they are not giving me the push to just go forward, but they are also not busy pulling me back. So it's just kind of neutral thing with them. But if I have to push myself, it's me. If I have to decide if I'm gonna make the video today, it's on me. They are not gonna tell me that you should be making or you should not be making. I know my future depends on me. If I make video today, that's how I'm gonna get subscriber, that's how I'm gonna get monetization, right? So I have to do it. It's my responsibility. And if this thing is resonating with you, trust me, you gotta decide your own life. Now imagine every life is having their own stress, their own drama, their own story, and they are busy sorting out things from their own life, even not in family but individuals. The father is having their own life, mothers are having their own life, your siblings are having their own life. They are too busy in their life and you are just there seeking approval. And I always try that I don't add up to the noise, add up to the drama, add up to the chaos that family was already having. I learned to read the room, I learned when to say things, and I learned when to stay silent. But I was always focusing towards paying attention towards the external things, like situations that I cannot control. I thought that this is how my life is gonna keep going to have a part in their chaos, have a part in their drama. But in actual, I needed to do something for me. In this video, we're gonna talk about, instead of handling other people's problem and other people's life, wasting our energy on someone else, we gotta use that energy and preserve that and use that on ourselves and building our future. Most of the time, people are caught up in their own life, not because they don't love you, because they are having their own things, right? They are human, they are supposed to survive in this world, so they are constantly, their brains are constantly working like that. So as we always know that no one is looking at you, you can make it much bigger, and you can be in the comfort zone and do nothing at all. It's all about you. No one is looking at you, no one is pushing you or pulling you, no one is stopping you. and no one is making you go for the life that you want. If you have someone in your life who makes you do the things, that's great, that's fine, that's amazing for you, you're the lucky one. But if you don't have anybody in your life to push you, you gotta do it for yourself, right? So if I have something for you to take away from this video, these are the three things. The very first thing is you have to create something. For example, you can create content, or if you like stitching, you can do that. If you like painting, you can do that, but create something of your own. Okay. And the second thing is catch yourself while you are managing other people's drama, because whenever you are catching yourself like managing someone else, redirect the energy towards yourself, that how can I improve my own life, because at the end of the day, no one is gonna die with you, you are dying with yourself only, right? You are the one who's gonna die alone, so live your life fully like that. And the third thing is do whatever you want. Like if you have to make a decision, make it that right away, don't wait for someone else's approval, because the person who makes the best decision have made more bad decisions than we ever made, right? So just make that bad decision and then see if that works, and if that doesn't work, then come back and decide again, because it's your life. You are having a lot of chances every day. Every single day is a new chance for you to grow. So keep growing, keep learning, keep improving yourself, and stop letting other people control your life. Not your teachers, not your parents, not your partner, but yourself. Decide your own life, decide what you want to be, and decide how you want to be looked in the future, and make some vision boards, make affirmations, learn about manipulation, manifestation, meditation. So yeah, if this video added value in your life, then you can like, comment and share, and yeah, meet you in the other one. Bye.